What up everyone, got some big news for you guys. Got a little secret care package that just came in the mail. Little unboxing video. I don't know why I like unboxing videos. Might just be because I'm weird, but if you guys like unboxing videos too, I don't judge because, you know, I'm weirdo myself. Alright, let's get to it. Before I say anything, I got a new little camera going on too, so let me know if you guys can tell the difference in quality. You guys seeing anything in there? Yeah, I'm still ugly, but it's cool. My name's Samantha, and I'm 18 years old, and I just wanted to try something new. This is the dime piece right here. This is what you guys really want to know. So I'm gonna open this first. Alright, you guys ready? Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, there's oil coming out of it too. It's a brand new power steering pump. Alright. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, enough messing around. We're gonna get to the real part right now. I said no cheese on my cheeseburger. Well, alright, let's dig into it, shall we? Oh, yeah, I was gonna miss. Yo, same bro, same. Oh, let's see. Yeah, this packaging is kind of rough, bro. Styrofoam's all broken. All right, well, here's the first piece. Here's some clamps, some more piping. Alright, if you guys didn't get the idea by now, that's an intercooler. So I can show you guys what it came with. Oh yeah, I'm sure you guys already know what that is. It's Big Bertha. Alright, so WG right there. I don't know what that means. Probably warranty. Definitely warranty. It's gonna be kind of rough because I'm doing this with one hand, so sorry for the shakiness and whatnot. It's bigger in person. They gave me a gold one. So this is a eBay Turbo Kit MUSA. I guess they give you colors by random. I'm actually kind of happy with the gold, honestly. Got the springs in there. Actually looks pretty decent, man, for an eBay Turbo Kit. Next up, all right, keep everything in the same box. I believe that's the return feed line. Let's see what this is. Okay. We got like a robot face. Cool. I needed one of those for my car. It's a tiny feller over here. It's like a boost controller. I think this is a dump tube. I don't know what this is. I'm not even gonna lie, I don't know what that is. I'm actually gonna leave all these piping to the intercooler, all the piping to the intercooler in the styrofoam packaging that it's in until I'm ready to install it, because I don't want to mess it up or anything like that. So the reason why I chose this kit, because it looks not like those typical universal intercooler DIY kits, you know. This actually looks, these parts look like they actually kind of measured it out and test fitted it, so hopefully it fits somewhat better than those DIY kits. Oh, did I show you guys my Power steering pump? Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Here is the intercooler itself. You know what, man? For eBay, it ain't too shabby, man. Of course, I gotta actually put it on my car and test it first, but yeah, we gonna figure that out. I'm assuming that's a downpipe, right? The pipe that goes down. That down on the pipe. This is like Downpipe's little brother right here, Downpipe Jr. You know, piping's not too bad, man. Not too bad. All right, man. I think I pretty much unboxed everything. There's a wastegate. This is all that came with the kit. I know it's not the best view. Sorry. This is a one-man band right now. Gotta save the best for last, of course, right? The reason why you guys all came to this video. Man, look at those turbos. I wonder, do they come in like different colors? Do they just give you a random color? Is that how it works? On the link it said colors are chosen by random. It'd be cool if I got like a different color turbo. But if not, it's all good. It's gonna be tucked away anyway, so no one probably won't even see it. Pretty heavy. Some gaskets. General turbo applications. Okay, cool. So they actually give you, I'm not gonna read this whole thing to you guys, but it looks like they give you a little instruction manual, which is surprising because on the website it said no instructions are included. But you know, I doubt this is super thorough, but probably give you a little head start, you know. That's pretty neat. Oh man, look at, oh, is that you? Can I touch it? Man, I've been waiting for this for a while, and this is, oh man, this is a big birthday. This is bigger in person. It's heavier in person too, man. I can't even lift this up with one hand. Hold on. There she is. Little T3, T4. I don't know if you can see that. Try to zoom into that. Bruh, focus. Dude, quit playing with me like that. There we go, a little T3, T4. To be honest with you, I am not gonna pick this up. I was gonna pick it up and try to show you guys, but it's pretty heavy and I can't hold it with one hand. Maybe I'm just a little girl, but yeah. That's all this stuff. I know I could have probably organized it a little better so it would look more appealing to the eye, but you know, for an eBay kit, it really ain't that bad. Comes with most of the stuff that you need. I'll be installing all this: turbo, intercooler, downpipe, all the goodies. Don't forget Downpipe Jr. now. Oh, bro, I got so excited. I almost forgot about these two little boxes. Let's see, this is a tire pressure gauge. Oh my god. Oh, I was wanting one of these. That's crazy. We got a hose to connect to your tire pressure gauge. Yes. I wish they would label some of this, because some of this stuff I honestly do not know what this is. I'm not even gonna lie. But I know what this stands for. There you go. BOV M001. That stands for Biological Organic Valve AM01. Let's look at what color did I get for my blow-off valve. Okay. See you. Got some gaskets and some bolts in there. I don't think anyone really cares to see that, so I'm not really gonna mess with it. Ooh, look at that. Soft, hard. Bro, you know we're going hard all the way. 24/7, 365, no days off, bro. It's gonna always be set on hard. What? Alright guys, and there it is. You saw that little unboxing video, little teaser, little update video on what I'm gonna do to my car. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to follow the build. There's gonna be a lot of stuff. I'm gonna show, you know, myself installing it, tuning it, all that good stuff. And also, what I just noticed too is I was kind of going through this little installation guide, and it's not really an installation guide. It doesn't say, oh, put the turbo and do this, do that, whatever. It's just more of like preventative maintenance and stuff like that, and like how to prime the turbo and whatnot. So yeah, looks like I'm gonna have to figure this stuff out myself. Alright, later guys.